Roast chicken is one of the most popular British roast meats. Turn that into beer can chicken and it tastes completely different. In this video we'll go through a step-by-step guide to turn a supermarket medium chicken into a delicious piece of meat. For the chicken today we've got a chimney starter that's about 3/4 full. At the bottom I've got some brand new briquettes, and at the top we've got some part used briquettes from a previous cook. We've got 2 Weber firelighters. Get those lit, and then we'll go inside and get the chicken ready. So, beer can chicken, one of our family favourites, dead easy to do, been around for years, doesn't get talked about much, but maybe it's time for a comeback. If you're new to barbecuing, something I highly recommend doing, as it's literally so easy. I always like to say that first step of a beer can chicken is to drink half a can of beer, but we're not going to drink half a can of beer straight away. Now I have this beer can chicken holder, so it's got this tray that the chicken will sit on, catch all the drips, and we have this pot that you put the beer in. So we'll open that up, and the first step I guess is pour some beer in there. And no, it's not a waste of good beer, because you really do taste the flavour of the beer coming through into the meat. Don't need much in there, I've only got about an inch in the bottom, and the rest can go in my glass. So the beer then just goes into the holder. The medium chicken, don't really want anything bigger than a medium chicken, because you won't be able to get the lid on the barbecue. Very little trimming to do. I always like to cut this tail off, it's not really needed. So just with a good pair of scissors, we'll cut that straight off. So for the rub, very easy to do. So we've got 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, equal amount 2 teaspoons of garlic granules, 2 teaspoons of onion granules, onion powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and 1 teaspoon of salt. That's just mixed in here. So we'll just get that all over. You probably noticed that I haven't put any oil on the chicken skin. Personally, I don't think it needs it. So we'll just get this chicken on here. Throw it down. There you go. Just position it there. There. Get a lemon, cut in half. You can shove that into the neck. Keep the chicken nice and moist inside. There we go. We'll get that on the barbecue. The coals are absolutely red hot there. Gotta make sure you got some gloves, heat protection for your hands. I like to use these baskets for charcoal. Put those tips in there. Move these baskets around. I always use a pair of old tongs. So for this, we're going with a basket on each side. Get the grate on, and we're just going to put the chicken bang in the middle, so you got heat either side, even distribution. You want a nice smoky flavour. Got some smoking wood chips that have soaked in water. Just put some on at the start, don't need many, so we'll put a few on either side. There you go, that's it. And just put those back down. And then we'll put the lid on. We've got the air vent fully open at the top, fully open at the bottom. This will soon get up to about 180, 200 degrees Celsius. Doesn't matter if it's a little bit higher, because we're cooking to 75 internal degree temperature for the chicken rather than time. So this has been on for an hour and 10 minutes. Shall we have a look? See what it's like. Whoa, look at that. Beautiful. So we've been cooking to temperature, not to time, but from past experience, you're looking at about an hour and 10 minutes. So we'll put the temperature probe in. There we go, 76 degrees. Try the other side. Yep, there we go, that's done. So we'll take it off and then let it rest. So the chicken's been resting inside, covered up about half an hour. You see how easy the leg almost comes straight off there. Take the knife to the bone joint and it comes away with very little effort. You can then transfer that onto a plate. The other leg comes off just as easy. Don't question my carving skills too much, they're not the best. Once both the legs are off, you can turn your attention, if you like, to the wings. They just break away. This chicken smells absolutely delicious. You could serve it up with whatever you like, salad, vegetables, whatever takes your fancy. Today we're having new potatoes and some steamed vegetables. There probably won't be much left, but we'll probably have a little bit of leftover that we can serve with a sandwich or a salad. And I guess at this point I'd like to thank you for taking your time and watching today, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is only my second video and there is a lot more to come over the coming weeks and months. Thank you, goodbye.